Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In a large bowl, mix the cooled pasta, pepperoni, provolone cheese, red onion, cucumber, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, olives, parsley, and Parmesan cheese. In a jar with a lid, mix the olive oil, vinegar, garlic, basil, oregano, ground mustard, salt, and pepper. Seal jar, and shake well.
Take our lead.
3 to 4 days. How long does pasta salad with Italian dressing last? Pasta salad with the dressing on it can be stored for later with no problems. You can put it in the refrigerator in an airtight container for 3 to 4 days, but I highly recommend that you do not freeze this salad.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Pasta dish ideas including lemon, basil and mascarpone, quick chicken Alfredo, white wine, mushroom and cream, white bean sauce, bacon and scallions, tuna and capers, lemon artichoke pesto, smoked salmon and capers, and caprese.
Take our lead.
Do not rinse the pasta, though. The starch in the water is what helps the sauce adhere to your pasta. Rinsing pasta will cool it and prevent absorption of your sauce. The only time you should ever rinse your pasta is when you are going to use it in a cold dish like a pasta salad.
Take our lead.
3 to 5 days. How long will macaroni salad last in the fridge? Macaroni salad will stay good refrigerated for 3 to 5 days. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap, or store in an airtight container to maximize freshness.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.